Now we start off to the causes and the effects of air pollution. First cause is smoke released by the factories. What are the effects? Effects are breathing difficulties and the diseases of the lungs, the various diseases like the cough and cold, asthma and so on. Second one is smoke from the factories and the industries. What are the effects? The breathing difficulties, same, diseases of the lungs, harms the buildings also, and statues when it mixes with the rain. Those particles, the smoke from the factories, when they are mixed up with the rain, they fall down as the acid rain and it damages the buildings and the statues and monuments and so on. Third one is smoke released during the burning of wood, coal, leaves and waste and so on. Breathing difficulties and the diseases of the lungs, which we have studied in the first effect also. Fourth one, harmful gases from the refrigerators, air conditioners and other machines at home. Destruction of the ozone layer in the air. So, what is the ozone layer and how the destruction harms us, we are going to study about it here. Now you go on, concentrate on the spotlight which says ozone is a gas that is present in the atmosphere. It forms a layer around the earth and stops the harmful rays from the sun reaching the earth's surface. When the ozone layer is affected, harmful rays can reach the earth's surface and cause the skin diseases. So, in the atmosphere, there is a layer of gas called the ozone layer, which helps to obstruct, that is, it does not allow the sun's harmful rays to reach inside. The pollution of the air might harm the ozone layer and it might become thinner, and if it does become, it will not protect the earth from the harmful rays. The harmful rays will reach up to the earth's surface and it will cause a lot of skin diseases and other human problems. So, these harmful gases from the refrigerators and the air conditioners and other machines harms the ozone layer. Now, we are going to study about the ways how to reduce the air pollution. First of all, do not burn waste. We have to recycle our waste as much as possible. Avoid burning the waste. Use bicycles to travel short distances rather than using cars and bikes. Bicycles do not use any fuel at all. It is only the human energy which is used for riding the bicycle. So, we have to use it as much as possible instead of using the cars and bikes. We get most of our electrics from burning coal and other fuels. So, switch off the lights and fans when not used to reduce the electricity used. So, we get the fuel from the electricity which is got from the burning coals. So, when we are not using, we should switch off the lights and the fans immediately. And most important is to plant trees. Make the air clean by removing carbon dioxide from the air and replacing it with oxygen. So, we have to plant more and more trees around our home and in our neighbor. Since the trees clean the air, it takes in the carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygen, making it purified. So, we have to plant more and more trees